Hey guys, what's happening? How to schedule reels on Instagram. To schedule Instagram reels in advance, create your reel. Right, so hit the plus button at the top left. So let's say I want to share this reel. Hit next. Right?
26.
So let me wait. Let
26.
me start over. And select instead of post, I'm gonna select reel. So I'm gonna create a new reel. Hit next. This is my reel. Right? And if you want to add audio, text, voice, captions, overlays, etc., you can do that before publishing. Hit next, because we are focusing on scheduling reels. And before you publish, scroll a little bit down after you add your captions, location, tag people, or collaborate with other people if you want to. So scroll a little bit down, hit more options, and turn on schedule this reel, and select the timing. Okay? Select your desired date and time. This requires creator or business account and can be done up to 30 days in advance, allowing for up to 25 posts per day. So I'm gonna select, or I'm gonna choose Monday, April 7th, 27th, 3:40 p.m. Go back and then hit next to schedule this reel. So consider liking this video, subscribe, and until next time, see you.